Hello, good morning, and welcome to Game Day, Michigan State, Ohio State Game Day at that. So if that doesn't tell you how awesome this class is, well, I don't know what to tell you, but I do because I will give you a couple more reasons. Sorry, my cat's in here. Reason number one is we kind of had the freedom to do whatever we wanted. We chose ours as Apple, so we were able to choose whatever company we wanted. We were able to take it in whatever direction we wanted. And the only thing is, there was a 2.5 minute to 6 minute time limit and constraint, but there has to be some sort of rule in order to get some sort of video out of it, so that was the best part, I think, about it. It also helped us with our video editing skills. We were able to create our own video and we had to figure it all out on our own. I personally do video as my job, so I'm pretty good at it, but I think it kind of helps my group mates with their video shooting and editing and everything. It also showed us how to effectively promote and tag our videos. We were able to go in and look at like what tags have already been created and go off of those, and he gave us a website that we could look at through YouTube and see how we could effectively tag and put headlines and descriptions and everything, so that was really cool too. And the last thing is it made me want to become a YouTuber myself. I've actually been thinking about doing it for a while, but our assignments showed me how people have become famous or how they have been able to make money off of their YouTube videos. And what I really liked was when we looked at Bethany Mota. Bethany Mota is kind of like what I've been looking at doing, as I already do have my own blog like she does, but I want to accompany it with video. So it kind of gave me the push to say, hey, I can also do this too. So thank you so much for this class. It was really, really helpful, and it's, I think, gonna help me out when I go into advertising in the future if it ends up doing it in social media and everything. So thank you again, and go green!